Hello and welcome to Class on Demand's complete training for Adobe Photoshop CS6. My name is Sue Jenkins and I'll be your Photoshop instructor. My professional background includes over 15 years of web and graphic design experience as owner and creative director at Lucky Chair, a full-service web and graphic design studio. I also have over 20 years experience as a photographer and have been using Photoshop since 1990. In addition, I am an Adobe certified expert and Adobe certified instructor and have been teaching students how to use Photoshop, Dreamweaver, Illustrator, and other Adobe programs since 2004. I currently work as assistant professor of graphic design at Marywood University. I am also the author of several For Dummies instructional books on web design, Dreamweaver, Illustrator, and Photoshop. And I appear as the instructor in other training programs from Class on Demand. Needless to say, I totally love working with Adobe Photoshop, and I'm excited to teach you how to use it. Over the years, Photoshop has evolved from a simple digital imaging tool to one of the premier photographic, web, and graphic design tools used by professionals around the world. In this training, you'll find 7 sections which each focus on different aspects of using Photoshop. You'll start with an overview and learn how to use many of the tools. Then you'll work with styles, adjustment layers, and layer masks, create web graphics, learn some retouching and restoration techniques, learn about special print and photo techniques, and end with a section on using Photoshop for video. Along the way, you'll discover much about what's new in Photoshop CS6. So that you can follow along as we go, I've created several before and after sample files that you can use to practice the skills you learn in each section. All of these files are included with this training inside the Project Media folder. Copy it to your hard drive and we can get started with learning Photoshop. We've got a lot of things to learn, so let's get started.